new video. In this video I will tell about the Mi Band 3 features. This is the home screen and these are the dates and the day. And this top is a sign of a Bluetooth that your watch is connected with your phone. In next we will find steps, the steps you have covered, calories you have burned and the battery. In this we have to measure the heart rate. Press it for a long. Then the weather forecasting of today, tomorrow and Monday. This is the treadmill and this is the exercise mode. Next, the notification that you receive from your phone. And this is the stopwatch and this is the timer to set of 1 minute or 2 minutes. This is the more options. Slide it. This is the silence button to silence your phone, and in this is to find your device. This is a screen that you can change your screen like this. This is the factory reset button and this about. Press it